being an apprentice, I get best of both worlds really. I get hands-on with the machines 4 days a week, and then 1 day a week at college where I learn all the theoretical side of it, and then other days when I'm in here I get the practical side, which benefits me more because I'm more of a hands-on person. I've chosen to do an apprenticeship at Matsuura because one of my friends works here. He said it's a really good company to work for, and I've also really been into getting hands-on with fixing things just in general before working here, so it's really benefited having that previous experience to come on here and work on these really fancy machines. At the end of the apprenticeship I'll get to, well, I hope to be fully qualified and have a job obviously, and then get on the road servicing customers' machines and just delivering a good service.